So far, everything you've done has been configured. Connecting accounts, picking formats, setting cadence. Now Kompozy needs raw material to actually make content out of it. That's step 3, feeding the engine its first input. So just click Do It Now under the Getting Started. So under Generate your first piece of content, I've already completed it over here. Click on the Do It Now, and it'll send you to the dashboard right here. So essentially what we want to do is do a quick ingestion. We want to paste in a topic, a link, a YouTube video, a podcast clip, a tweet, a rough idea, anything Kompozy will read it. It runs it through every format to turn it into the previous step. So let's go ahead and use an example, and let's say, hey, I want to generate a piece of content that explains to real estate investors that I can offer them private money. Let's just use that as an example. We're going to click on Process Input, and now we can generate multiple pieces of content from that. So let's say we can generate text posts, photo posts, infographic photos, persona photos, etc. You can select pretty much all of them, right? But for this example, we're just going to do, let's say, a persona photo and a text post and maybe a quote graphic. And so you can technically select all of them and then push them to the raw pipeline. You can also do manual no AI, meaning you can create an exact, let's say, post that you want. You can attach images in the previous step and push it as a manual generator. These are like one-off posts. But for now, we're going to generate 3 pieces of content and push to raw pipeline. Now that you do that, it's going to go to the raw inbound. Let's go ahead and minimize this. And as you can see, a text post, a persona photo, and a quote graphic. And here's the platforms that we have that will end up being posted on. We're going to click Approve Payload. And then you'll see inside the Generated tab, it's going to split these into 3 separate types of generations. And once those are approved, they will show up under the Generated tab for you. So as you can see, I've already created tons and tons of content for us to post between images, tweets, carousels, blogs, etc. But essentially, that's how you would create. So once those are finished generating, they'll show up under the Generated tab for you. They might take about 2-3 minutes, depending on what type of pieces of content are being generated. But once you've got at least one piece of content generated, that the checklist auto checks step 3, and then we're ready for the most important step, which is going to be reviewing what the AI made, approving the good stuff, and getting it all into your calendar. Next up.